Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Who is this?
Who are you trying to reach?
What number is this?
What number are you trying to reach?
I don't know.
Well, I think you have the wrong number.
Do I?
It happens.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be unbagging, unboxing, it's not a box, any mask. You know how long it's been since I've gone to like Depop, Mercari, eBay and looked at a listing? It's been so long, like I don't know, Ghostface stuff hasn't been on my mind, but lately it's like, you know what, I miss being on my YouTube grind and doing my little hobby. In which I wish I could display like all of my masks. Like most of them are here. Oh, YouTube, these are safety scissors. Don't get after me. I'm being safe. There's some behind me. I mean, in front of me. The ones behind me are behind me. I'm so dumb. I make no sense. This is what I get for not filming for a long time because I do not know. I don't know how people do YouTube videos. I just yap. Okay, can we just talk about the packaging? I do not like how this Perkin
popped a perk 30, got straight to fuck.
Like, this looks like my mom packed me a thumbs back for lunch or something. Like, this is hard to get out. This looks like a pizza. Like, oh, I'm gonna take that slice for later to work. Let me put it on foil. This is what this looks like. To the person that told me this, thank you for putting this listing, but no thank you for the way you packaged it. This looks it looks like me wrapping presents, bruh. Hi guys, this is what I got for my lunch. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know why it's wrapped so ugly. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and you guys get the reveal first because you guys are more special than me. Okay, the tag feels not bad. Oh my god. What do you guys think? Let me open my eyes.
Oh, hell no.
Hi guys, Skinwalker Wendy here. So I just want to add to this to clarify my dumbass just buys things sometimes without looking at the pictures. And I looked back and turns out that the seller did show the flaws. So sorry seller, forgive me, please. Thank you. This came out, Ghostface Florescent, the orange mask. And I couldn't miss on the opportunity. I believe that the selling price was at $40. It looks like Ghostface got hit by something in the mouth. I mean, also the paint job, oh my gosh, it's far off. I mean, I could fix it, but I don't know. I wouldn't do the best job. I'm gonna put no flash, but here's the tag. I do not want to know what this stain is. It's probably boogers. Ugh. It's lucky sticky. Anyway, we all know there's always somebody that's gonna do that. I don't know what that is. I don't want to know. There's a little flaw, but I do not care about the flaw. And it's a part of the Ghostface Lives collection from Fun World. And this is a Ghostface Florescent mask. Here's the details. There is like a little dent right here. Once again, I'm a noob. I really don't. The appearance of a mask doesn't bother me. I just buy what I like. But I'm just showing the details for those that are interested in the 2022 manufactured mask. But also the paint is missing here. Also, the fact that it's tagged is a miracle. I just don't like how it has that crusty liquid sticky stuff on it, in which I'm not gonna even try to bother what it is. And the manufacture date, October to December / 2022. Nicely done. Here's the shroud. Once again, it is polyester. Here are the flaps. It says the manufacture date, the barcode, the color of the fluorescent mask, and we all know it's orange. If it's not orange, please go get your eyes checked. I'm gonna lie, I remember wanting the orange fluorescent so bad I got a knockoff off Mercari. And this one's from, I could be wrong, a Gen 1 or a Gen 2 mold. But honestly, this one looks more Temu. You can't tell me these two don't look fire together. Even the tag is different from like 2019 and 2022. But they still look cool together. I really like this one, the shape more. And this one looks like a pancake.